Okay, I welcome you guys. In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how you can send and receive Bitcoin and any other cryptocurrency here by using Binance. Okay, so let's start. It's very easy and fast. So if you are new to this channel, please make sure you subscribe because I'll be releasing videos on how you can buy BTC, how you can swap your BTC, and I'll be releasing more videos on how to trade Forex and other cryptocurrency. So let's start now. Okay, so this is the market and we'll be using the wallet tab here. The wallet. Okay, so I will go to my spot. You can see my overview here. You can see my overview, my spot, my funding, and the margin and the futures. So this time we'll be using the spot. So let me click on the spot. Okay, you can see my record, the different type of cryptocurrency I have here. And so to receive BTC, I will click on the deposit. This one is to receive and this one is to send BTC and any other cryptocurrency you have here on your list. Okay, so let me click on the deposit. That is if I want to receive BTC. So you can see my search history and my trending. So imagine I want to send some BTC. You can also see some cryptocurrency available on Binance. So imagine I want to send BTC. I will click on the Bitcoin here, the BTC, or if I want to send Ethereum, I can click this, or USDT or BNB on Binance USDT. So I will click on the BTC now. Okay, and you can see it's showing you some choose your network. Take note of this because this place is risky. If you have to choose any other one other than this Bitcoin itself, when the person send the money, you will lose your money. So make sure if the person is sending you Bitcoin, click on this Bitcoin tab, and this is a wallet. This is the scan code, and which you can just screenshot or save as image so that the person can just scan it and send you your Bitcoin, or you copy this wallet address by using this copy tab here and send it to the person that want to send you the Bitcoin. Just send it to the person that want to send you the Bitcoin. Just by copying this code, this wallet address to the person can just paste it and send you the cryptocurrency, the Bitcoin they want to send you, and it will reflect under your spot wallet. It will reflect under your spot wallet once the person send the Bitcoin. And you can also see the minimum deposit the person can make. Okay, so that is just how you can clearly see this share address. Yeah, you can just let me allow. Yeah, you can see the share address. You can just share it to through WhatsApp, Facebook, different means, Instagram, Telegram, different means you can just use to share it. Okay, so this is just how you can use to receive Bitcoin in your Binance. This is just how you can receive through the deposit. So let's go back on how you can send BTC. This you have to click on the withdraw tab, and you can see you can see it's showing me two options, cash. Okay, let me go back, sorry. You can see it's showing me two options, cash or crypto. So I will click on the crypto. Okay, and you can see different type of cryptocurrency available. I have the BTC, the Ethereum, the Binance USD, the BNB, the Dogecoin, the Litecoin, the USDT, the Cardano, and different type. I think these ones, I don't know, I think they are bonus given to me by Binance. So imagine I want to send Bitcoin. Ethereum. I can just click on the Bitcoin and send via network, or you can actually send through the person's email. The person used to register is Binance, or through the phone number, or through the ID of the person Binance. So, but for this tutorial, I'll be using the via crypto network. Okay, so remember that address I said you can copy. This is where you will paste the address. If you are the one sending it to someone, this is where you will paste the address, and this is where you will have to choose the type of network. And remember I told you take note of this. These ones are Binance Smart Chain. This is the one you should click. this one is what you should click, okay, because you are sending Bitcoin, so you have to click it and confirm it, okay, that yes, I'm sending Bitcoin. And you can see the minimum amount. This is where you type the amount of BTC you want to send to the person, and you can also see the minimum amount there, okay. So this is the wallet I'm sending from. Remember, you can have money on your Fundy wallet or on your Spot wallet, but you can see the thing is showing me Spot and Fundy combined together. You can check one that okay, I want money from only my Spot wallet to leave my wallet, so you confirm it, okay. So at the end of the day, after filling this form, this withdrawal limit, this withdrawal sign will be checked here that okay, yes, then you click it and automatically you have sent the BTC to the person. So that is how you can send cryptocurrency and also receive. The same thing for Ethereum. You can just click it and say okay, send via network, and you can see, just fill up the form, click here and say okay, I send the Ethereum. I think this is the one you should click and confirm. Okay, I type the amount, and okay, you can see here is only checked Spot wallet because I only have Ethereum on my Spot. I don't have on my Fundy, so I can just, after filling the form, pasting the long address here. You can just paste the long address here. Usually you paste the wallet address of the receiver. Then after filling everything, the amount, this where you feed the amount, this where you feed the amount, okay, yeah, this is where you feed the amount, and with that you can just click on the send on the, okay, the same thing for every other cryptocurrency via network. After filling up the form, the address of the receiver, the network, which is Dogecoin, yeah, this is the one you should click, the confirm, then the amount of Dogecoin, then you can say I only have Dogecoin on my Spot wallet. After filling all the form, you just click here, yeah, just click there. So that is it. So I go back. That is how you can actually send and receive. Remember, deposit is to receive just by clicking. I can also click the Litecoin. Okay, Litecoin. Okay, you can see some. Please note that confidential deposit via MB function is not supported, will result to loss or, okay. Remember, you have to choose this network type because that is what they are making sure. Just choose the network type that yes, it's Litecoin you want to receive, and it will reflect on your Spot wallet. Then any other cryptocurrency, Ethereum, Binance USDT, okay, Ethereum. You can see the wallet address is showing. You can see the wallet address. I forgot to show you the wallet address. Every cryptocurrency have their own different wallet address. Let me go back to the Litecoin. Yeah, Litecoin. Okay, and you can see the wallet address of Litecoin here. This is the wallet address. Just copy it and send it to the person that wants to send you the BTC, and the person will just do the same thing I just did, and you will receive it under your Spot wallet. You can see different cryptocurrency here available. You can also search here. In case you want to receive Tron. Let's search for Tron. Okay, Tron. Oh, I don't know the shortcut. I think okay, SROP. Okay, this is for Ripple. Okay, Ripple. If you know the short keys, you can just search for them. Let me go back, cancel. Let me go back to the market where I can see SROP, XRP, Litecoin, Dogecoin. You can just see. So that is just how. Thank you for watching.